In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shopping cart to your Wix website. Whether you're launching a brand new online store or looking to enhance your current site with shopping capabilities, adding a shopping cart is a fundamental step to boost sales and improve your customers' shopping experience. Let's dive in and set it up together. First things first, open your preferred browser. For this example, we'll use Google Chrome. In the address bar, type in wix.com and hit enter. Once the Wix homepage loads, locate the login button, which is usually at the top right of the screen, and click on it. If you're already a Wix user, simply continue with your login details. For those using Google accounts, there's an easy option to continue with Google Thistle. This will streamline your login process and save you from having to remember yet another password. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to your Wix dashboard. Look for the Design Site button and click on it. This will bring you into the Wix editor where all the magic happens. Now you want to look for the options to add new elements to your site. You'll find a button labeled Add Apps. Click on it. This is your go-to tool for extending your website's capabilities with different functionalities and features. Once you're there, head over to the App Market. Here's where you can explore various apps. But since we're focusing on adding a shopping cart, type Wix Store into the search bar. This will bring up several options, and the one you want is simply named Wix Stores. Click on it to open. Next, you'll see an add button. Click on it, and the Wix Stores app will be added to your site. This app integrates a complete e-commerce solution, including a shopping cart, and it seamlessly integrates with your website's design. After adding Wix Stores, navigate to the page and menu section. Here, you can manage your site's structure and navigation. Find the Store Pages option and select it. This will redirect you to relevant store setup options. To showcase your products, click on New Page to add a dedicated page for your new product range or items. Ensure to hit save once you've made these changes. You wouldn't want to lose your progress. Now, you have the option to preview your site. Click on the preview button located at the top right of the editor. This gives you a real-time view of what your visitors will see when they navigate through your site. It's a great chance to make sure everything is working smoothly before going live. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Publish to make your site live. And there you have it. You've successfully added a shopping cart to your Wix website. Enjoy watching your online business grow.